Wow, look at the size of chicken, and they marinate it very well. Yes, this is a mayonnaise, some mayo. Look at the skin. This sauce is one of the best sauce in the Istanbul. Çok lezzetli bir sos diyor bu. Hoş geldiniz. Guys, this delicious sauce has 25 different spices. And it's so delicious. I tried before. They call this bread lavash. Look at the size of the chicken doner. The middle one has a cheese. It's just for the 3 or 2 minutes. Hello guys, this is our dish. This is a chicken doner kebab or chicken kebab with bread called lavash. They have a special tomato sauce, so delicious guys. They put some French fries with pickles, with mayo, with this special sauce, with huge portion chicken, and all in the one sandwich. Oh guys, this is so delicious. If you like spice and hot, you must try this. These are best side dish for this chicken doner. Okay, we want to test it, guys. Guys, they have the biggest chicken shawarma in Istanbul. I think in the whole Turkey or whole world. It's almost 400 kilograms per day. Wow, smells so good. Ah, this is. I promise you, this is the best chicken shawarma in the world. Guys, just come here to taste. So good, so delicious. And this chicken so well marinated and so well cooked, so delicious. I love it. I love it, guys. Hey guys, we are in beautiful neighborhood of Beşiktaş. And we look at the farm eti beyaz, means white meat. Good idea. Everyone in the world like eggplant, and they put in the middle of sandwich eggplant.
Kanada dilim yapmak istiyorsun. Başlasın. Yok. Okay.
Okay, I want to test this one. So hot. So hot. Crispy outside, cheesy, chickeny, paprika, eggplant, carrot, mixture is good. I love this one, guys.